guys, it's Heather and Kristen, and we're back. Well, I got a haircut and colored it a little bit. Hair dye.
A little bit.
From home. Hair dye from home. We're back to show you some remedies, some swelling remedies that you can do at home using things that you might have at home.
Hemorrhoid pads.
And witch hazel. So we're going to talk about, like, you know, everybody has swelling sometimes.
Hello, bags.
So we're going to talk about ways you can, like, reduce with these, but there's one thing you can do to reduce that's the intake of your salt.
Not happening.
I knew she was going to say that, so.
Not happening.
If you are a salt lover like she is, I like a little salt. I don't like a lot, but I like a little. One thing you can do is take any type of hemorrhoid cream or Tux pads or anything like that, and you want to demonstrate?
And do what with it?
Put it right underneath your your eye.
Done!
Your eye.
What I'll do is I'll cut them in half so I can utilize one on each eye.
Well, do it.
No, I'm not getting scissors right now.
Yeah.
But I'll just cut them in half and I'll just put it right here. And what I'll do to intensify the deep puffiness is I'll put an ice cube right on top of it.
Oh, well.
Luckily, she's got my back. That's cold. So I'll just hold it there.
That's genius. Because I told her about the ice cube trick, and she told me about this, and to put them together, that's genius. So
just don't get it in your eye.
Yeah. You can also increase your water take.
Why would I do that?
Because water's good for you.
My body thinks it's poison.
No. Yeah, it thinks it's poison because she drinks this all the time. Dr. Pepper, if you're out there, that's your girl.
Hashtag not sponsored. This is cold.
Yeah. So let's see from this eye. I can tell a huge difference.
Oh, yeah. It's still puffy, but yeah.
So, we've got that, and then we've got witch hazel, which you can use. This was what, $1.30 something at the store?
$2.39.
$2.39? I thought she said $1 something.
No, because I went to Kroger. He's gonna be extra.
So you can get some witch hazel just like this. The thing is if you use Tux or witch hazel, make sure not to get it into your eye because it will sting like a mother. It will sting like a mother.
That was not intentional.
No. So, but there's also something that you could do is with witch hazel. It's good for your eyes that are swelling, but also you can use it as a toner. And what you want to do is I have a little bit of water right here, and I'm going to do equal parts of water and witch hazel, which is just a little bit. And then what it does is it balances out the pH of your skin. So you can use this as a toner as well. I like that this is like several uses.
Oh, like 1,000.
There's like 15 different uses for witch hazel. And then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to apply it all over the skin.
Just like a melting.
And of course we don't have cotton balls because we ran out. We have Q-tips. We have plenty of those. We just don't have cotton balls. So just use paper towel if you don't have it. But if you have a cotton ball, then use that.
The swelling is dramatically different.
Oh yeah, I could definitely tell. Also, a different one would be, which one?
My favorite vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
You just put it on your eye?
Mm-hmm. Just put it on your eye. Rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's perfect when you want to lay down for a bath or something.
Can you eat it afterwards? I'm just kidding.
If you want to, she'll eat anything.
That's cold.
With cucumbers. It's good if you have it frozen because then it.
No, thank you.
Because then you have the ice particles from it and the cucumber, and it reduces the swelling.
Bath.
So this is a good toner to have with the witch hazel and the water. And also you can use ice, which we have.
Hey, I'm not intentionally flipping you off, just so you know.
You're a dork. And then we got everything. Yeah. I mean, it's a short little video, but it shows you which you're not supposed to open your eye with.
I didn't. It's just juicy in my eye. It smells so good.
Eat it. I know you want to.
No, I'm not eating it after I've had Tux pads on it.
Oh, that's true.
I'm like,
That would be disgusting. So it's like a couple of different remedies that you can use to reduce the swelling in your eyes, but definitely drink more water. Less salt intake would be better. And then make sure you moisturize after you do the swelling remedies. Moisturize and then put on your makeup and get ready for the day. You could use like thick cucumbers, or you can do
It's better for thin though.
Thin ones.
It smells so good.
It does smell good.
It's got like a calming.
It's really, it reminds me of a spa.
You've always got to be extra.
Ah, yes.
You're
So I'm gonna just try just the witch hazel by itself.
It's not too strong on the skin.
No. You just gotta be careful not to get it in your eye, because if you get it in your eye, you're...
Why'd you use a Q-tip? That would be smart.
No, I'm just gonna do it right here.
Just like blot. I hate
Blot
that word,
it.
blot.
All across your eye. Make sure you don't get it in your eye.
Do it.
And I got a little swelling here, but...
Please. You hardly got swelling.
It's a little bit.
My psoriasis is so bad right now.
So, and then for like moisturizing after you're done, you could use Pond's, or she uses the Clinique Dramatically Different Gel.
Where'd it go?
It's in there. But you can always go to Sephora and tell them you want to try something new, and they'll give you a sample. Don't be afraid.
Yeah.
Samples are awesome because you could check out what you have, like what you want to try. Like this is moisturizing sorbet. I never tried it, but it's cuddly.
See, and I've in previous videos have said that I use this as my
Primer. Yeah.
This is all I use. 5 dots, that's it. This will cover my entire face and neck.
See, and I've got this sample. I think I got this one at Ulta. It's the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. You can go on Sephora.com or Ulta and get some samples that way. Or you can just go right into your department store and say, okay, I want to try this, like we did with the foundation, the Clinique foundation here. I think, nope, that's not it. There's Clinique foundation that we found. Also, I really like this brand. It's called Youth to the People, and it's age prevention moisturizing cream. It's kale and spinach, green tea, and hyaluronic acid, which I love. I don't know if you can. I don't have my glasses on. I have to have my glasses on so I can see.
I
Because I'm
can't
blind as a bat.
Put your eyes on.
Yeah. That's the Youth to the People, and they use like.
To the people. Just kidding.
They use like real ingredients, organic ingredients and stuff. So this is the kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid, and I just put it right underneath. Where's that cream that we use for the eye swelling? It's the rollerball thing that I gave you a long time ago.
Right here. I don't think it's any good. It's like so old.
It's probably still good.
But I've also learned it's a little bit better if you shake it.
Yeah.
Versus the product side.
That's been only a year old. So this is the Impish Eyes Depuffing Eye Serum from Perfectly Posh. This is wonderful. I love it. And I'll put it right under my eyes. So that's what we got for the eye swelling reducing remedies.
Your hair looks black in the monitor.
It does?
Look.
I can't see.
Put your eyes on.
Yeah, it does. But it's a reddish,
It's like a burgundy red.
reddish purplish color. I really like it, and I like the haircut style because it was really stringy before, and it was just out of control. Out of control. If you saw our last video, my hair was just like.
Rat's nest.
It was a rat's nest, but I was like, oh my gosh, this is so thick. I need to get a haircut, and I finally got some money to get a haircut, and she got a haircut too.
Ended up, yeah, I got roped into a haircut.
you've been wanting a haircut because the last guy that did your hair, he butchered the crap out of her hair, and I was just like, I feel bad.
I'm close to just buzzing all my hair off.
No.
I'm close.
No, because you always say that you want longer hair.
Yes, and our close friend Dawn has reminded me, you're gonna regret it if you cut all your hair off. And yes, each time she has been right. My hair was almost down to my butt when I cut it, and I regretted it. I love the haircut, like when it was down to here, and it was cute because I could do fun things with it. Then it grew a little bit longer.
Ooh!
The cats
Mamas and Audrey are like fighting.
So once I cut it, it was just like, oh God, I can't do anything with it. I'm like, it's right now. It's at that annoying stage where it's right at your shoulders, and
I didn't even pull hard. I was just taking this off.
really, because my hair is like disgusting.
It's fine.
But it's at that annoying length where it hits your shoulders, so even when it's down, it starts to get that little awkward curl at the
You know
end.
what you could do is you could do like a mohawk up here and then have it down. That would look really pretty. Or braided. I want to braid your hair right up here and then curl the rest.
Let's keep doing that again. That felt good.
I want to do that. But anyways, this video was suggested by Sharon. Sharon, thank you so much for suggesting our video. If y'all have any other suggestions,
comment below. I mean,
comment below.
Know.
Let us know what you want us to cover.
Oh, let us know. Just kidding. Gotta come up with some jingles because that was kind of cool.
Comment below to let us know.
Something like that. Leave me alone. Get off my. Okay. God. Look, you're making me nervous. My face is turning red.
I think you made it turn red all on your own.
No.
Yes. So anyways, thanks Sharon. And let us know if y'all have any suggestions, and if we can do it, we'll do it for you. And thanks for watching.
We'll see y'all in the next video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And also like us on Instagram. I'll put
what? No, she's playing.
Put the username on there so that you can like us on Instagram. We're almost to 1,000 likes,
yes,
so
we're getting close.
We're getting hyped.
Hyped?
So, yeah, hyped, excited.
Super excited.
So anyways, we will see you next time. Bye.